Hi, today I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. First I have to scramble it. No cheating. A little rusty. I didn't use it for a while now. Here, scrambled. Yellow. A couple more turns. Alright, here it's scrambled. Let's see how well I do. Okay. Almost have the first step finished. Now I do. Now the corners and at the bottom. Done. Second step done. Now the sides in the middle. Done. Now the upper layer. Whoa, I'm going really fast. Fast as fuck, boy. Last step. Here it is. Completely solved. If you want a tutorial, make sure to comment.